you may have guessed, I am Dr. Cake. And the two things I love most in this world are science, well, and cake. Birthday cake, chocolate cake, cheesecake, and even at times, yes, carrot cake. Now, as much as I would love to sit and talk about cake all day long, I've got a very special sciencey helper with me here today. Her name is Avery, and I am most excited to help her with her splendiferous experiment. Hello, Avery.
Hello, Dr. Cake.
Now, Avery, you have some sciencey stuff in front of you that we are going to use for this tremendous experiment today.
That's right, Dr. Cake.
Now, are those ingredients to perhaps make a delicious cake?
No, in fact, Dr. Cake, you don't want to put these ingredients in your belly, especially not at the same time.
Oh, well, thank you for letting me know that. Well, if it's not flour and sugar, what ingredients are we working with today?
Well, today we have safety goggles, a tray, a funnel, a small plastic cup with 4 tablespoons of warm water, a 16-ounce plastic bottle, like a soda pop bottle, food coloring, liquid dish soap, 12% grade hydrogen peroxide, and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast.
Of what?
Dry yeast.
Oh, dry yeast. Yeast is what's used in bread, and you know what bread reminds me of.
Yes, we know. Cake. But today we are going to be making a chemical reaction. No, not that kind of reaction. We are going to be performing a decomposition reaction.
Oh.
Which is a fancy way to say we are going to be breaking apart molecules.
Oh, I see. So we're going to start with hydrogen peroxide, which is made up of 2 hydrogen molecules and 2 oxygen molecules.
Yes, H2O2.
Exactly. Then when we add our catalyst, our yeast, to our hydrogen peroxide, the reaction will break apart the molecules, leaving H2O, which is water, and O2, which is oxygen gas.
Precisely.
All right, let's get to it.
First, you want to put on your safety goggles. Next, on your tray, place your plastic bottle. Now, use your funnel and dump 1 to 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide.
1 to 2 cups?
Yes.
Well, that sounds like a lot. Maybe you should start with a half a cup.
Well, yes, that's it.
Okay, half a cup. So put it in there very gently. Dump it into your plastic bottle. Very good. Very good.
Spill it, don't spill it, don't spill it.
Don't spill it. All right, that is good. Good job. Good job. Next.
After that, take your dish soap and give it 3 medium squeezes.
3 medium
1,
squeezes.
2, 3.
Nice. Very good. Good squeezes.
Next, squeeze about 10 drops of food coloring in the plastic bottle as well. I'm just going to give it 2 medium squeezes.
2 medium squeezes or 10 drops. I see.
There we go.
Very bluey.
Yes, very good.
Now we want to mix it up, I think, right? Take it and kind of shake it and... Oh, very nice.
Now leave the plastic bottle for a moment.
Okay.
And grab the small plastic cup which has the 4 tablespoons of warm water in it.
Nice.
Then take the yeast packet, which we have the yeast in a bowl, small bowl, dump it into the warm water. Stir for about 30 seconds, which I'm just going to count to 20.
It looks like it's like ice cream.
It is supposed to look like melted ice cream.
Oh, it's supposed to look like melted ice cream, which goes good with cake. Oh, I love it.
But with yeast in it.
Oh, yeah. No, probably not very good.
Yeah, no yeast. Not in my ice cream.
Where did our funnel go?
Our funnel is right here.
All right, we're going to need that. Now, what we're about to do is we're about to dump that in there, and we're going to actually see a decomposition reaction taking place. Let's see what happens. Oh, the molecules are getting ready to break apart. It's getting ready to break apart. Oh my goodness. It's breaking apart all the molecules and creating oxygen gas. Oh, that is so amazing. Look at it. It's foaming everywhere. That is a foaming fountain of food-colored fun. It's decomposition at its best. This experiment makes me so happy.
Elephant toothpaste. Me too, Dr. Cake. When I see this experiment, it reminds me of something I read in my Bible.
Oh, really?
In Philippians 4:4, the Bible says, "Always be full of joy in the Lord." I say it again, rejoice.
Oh, I love that verse too, Avery. That verse reminds us that no matter what, whatever is going on in life, whether times are good, whether times are tough, when we know that God is with us and on our side, we can choose joy.
Yep, and that joy should bubble up out of us, just like our experiment today.
Oh, well, Avery, that is a great reminder. Thank you for being here with me today and sharing your super sciencey splendor for this experiment. I look forward to our next adventure together soon. That's all the time we have today on Science with Dr. Cake. Oh, cake time!
Stay tuned for some behind-the-scenes staging and some bloopers. Well, look at that phone. Hey friends, just want to let you know you can do this experiment at home with your parents' permission. Just follow the instructions in the video. Bye! Liquid dish soap. Take two.
What was that?
Here we go, here we go, here we go!
What face was that?
Got it.
Got it? Feeling good?
Decomposition reaction, which is a fancy way to say you're going to be breaking apart molecules.
Oh, I see. I see. My mustache fell off, I see. Oh my! What happened? Hello and welcome to Science with Dr. Cake. As you may have guessed, this thing's falling off already.
His mouth